A big thank to all my friends, well-wishers, subscribers and viewers and my dear students. Today is a very happy day and a memorable day for all of us. So nothing but our S Square Maths YouTube channel has been rocked with a 275th video. So far I completed 274 videos with the support and motivation and encouragement of all the well-wisher students and my colleague dear friends. So the same will be continued in the coming days, I'm expecting. So far we completed 274 videos and completed 2100 subscribers approximately. So just wait for the 275th video, very memorable video. Don't skip it and watch till the end. After watching the video, please give me the encouragement by liking and share to your near and dear friends. Subscribe my channel those who did not done, and comment. Nothing but you can have the blessings in the comment section. Okay, so various points and images regarding 275th videos are given below, posted below. So watch till the end. Okay, tune it. I think so you are eagerly waiting for my 275th video. So it is nothing but a happy Fibonacci day for all the maths lovers, well-wishers, subscribers. Okay, Fibonacci day, Fibonacci series. It is very important for various competitive examinations and it is a very interesting topic. So let us go through our Fibonacci day. Okay, so it is celebrated on November 23rd. Fibonacci day is celebrated on November 23rd. So the series starts as follows. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, 89, 144 and so on. So these are the sequence of numbers which is related to nothing but our Fibonacci. So let us go through it. So it is commonly denoted by Fn, capital Fn, form a sequence called the Fibonacci sequence such that each number is the sum of the two preceding ones starting from 0 and 1. Okay, so if you consider the sequence, it is nothing but third number is obtained by adding first two numbers. 0 plus 1 is 1. Next, fourth number is nothing but 2. So it is obtained by 1 plus 1. Preceding two numbers are 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So next, here 3 obtained by preceding two numbers. 1 plus 2 is 3. And 5 preceding two numbers added. Nothing but 2 plus 3 is 5. So like this, so on. So it is a sequence called Fibonacci sequence. So let us go through some of the points regarding it. Okay. So Fibonacci sequence. So let us go through the history now. So Fibonacci, an Italian, is also known as Leonardo Brunacchi, Leonardo of Pisa or Leonardo Bigollo Pisano, was an Italian mathematician from the Republic of Pisa, considered to be the most talented Western mathematician of Middle Ages. Okay, he was born on 1170 here, and other names are Leonardo Fibonacci, Leonardo Brunacchi. So these are the points related to it. Okay, so the name he is commonly called Fibonacci was made up in 1838 by the Franco-Italian historian. Okay, so like this, some of the points were given related to Fibonacci. So there is a relationship between the letters here, the variables. So the formula is given by Fn is equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2, or Fn plus 1 is equal to Fn plus Fn minus 1. So F1 is 1 and the next F2 is also 1, F3 is 1 plus 1 2, F4 is 2 plus 1 3, F5 is 3 plus 2, nothing but 5. So just now I explained now about the sequence, how you will get the numbers. So in the same way here, so according to the formula. And here, so Fibonacci day observations. Okay, Fibonacci day observations are nothing but in the year 2021, nothing but this year, November 23rd, Tuesday falls, and it falls on Wednesday November 23rd in 2022 and 2023 November 23rd again Thursday, the same Saturday 2024. So like this consecutive 3 years I have given, so in the coming days. And there are some interesting facts regarding Fibonacci numbers. So nothing but the ratio of two consecutive numbers, successive numbers in the Fibonacci sequence is very close to the golden ratio. You know very well about golden ratio. Okay, so the golden ratio is approximately equal to 1.6. Objects whose length and breadth exhibit the golden ratio are thought to be the most pleasing to the eye. So it is very interesting. It has numerous examples, okay, in the future also. So here, sorry, in the nature. So here some of the images are given regarding Fibonacci. Okay, so go through it, and it is very important concept, okay, for mathematics. One of the interesting sequence. So one of the beauties of Fibonacci sequence is that the series is evident all over natural world. So petal arrangements in flowers, ordering of leaves in plants, the shell of the given nautilus, and the DNA molecule, and even hurricanes show patterns that correspond to the sequence. So these are some of the facts related to Fibonacci. And still here in the year 1202, the year it was first introduced to the Western world in the book Liber Abaci. Okay, so next, nature's code also, because it is observed in several natural phenomena. So like this Fibonacci sequence has much importance. And let us go through some of the facts, still some points regarding Fibonacci sequence. So maths in nature, Fibonacci sequence. So beautiful flowers, they exhibit the phenomenon of our Fibonacci sequence. So here it is a green flower, okay, which exhibits our structure. Here it is nothing but our a spiral which is exhibiting the Fibonacci sequence. So like this you can go through it. So there is a Binet's formula also, which expresses the nth Fibonacci numbers in terms of n and golden ratio, and implies that the ratio of two consecutive Fibonacci numbers tends to the golden ratio as n increases. Okay, so Fibonacci numbers are named after the Italian mathematician Leonardo of Pisa. So just now I said. Next, and in the Pascal triangle Fibonacci sequence mapping. So it is one of the interesting pattern. So you can go through the Pascal triangle in binomial theorem for +2 aspirants, intermediate and engineering. Very interesting binomial theorem. In that you have the Pascal triangle, which is used for the questions of binomial expansion. So here some of the diagrams related to it. Okay, Pascal triangle, how the values you are going to get, and some first 29 terms of the Fibonacci series are listed below. You can go through it, and you have to remember, because very important for all the examinations. Based on this you will get the questions also, and the important phenomena Fibonacci sequence. So previously I gone through many videos regarding many prime day of mathematics. So this is one day, so nothing but square root day, Pythagorean theorem day, etc., and E day, Euler's day. So you can go through it. The links are given in the description. And here mathematical importance also given about Fibonacci sequence, how we will get various structures and various points regarding Fibonacci series. So various images are given for understanding. So try to understand the concepts, definitions, okay, regarding Fibonacci sequence. So after watching the video, please share to your near and dear friends, relatives, well-wishers, subscribers, whoever it may be. They will get the advantage, and hope the same will continue in the coming further days. So you'll bless me with your support. In your convenient time, please watch the videos and share to your near and dear friends. Once again, a happy Fibonacci day celebrated on November 23rd. So the month date pattern is 1/11/23. So for second term and third term, next fourth term, fifth term. First two terms are months, last two terms are nothing but date. So on this pattern, it is celebrated 1 1 2 3. So 23rd November. Okay. So once again, a happy Fibonacci day. Signing out. This is your Santosh from S Square Maths YouTube channel. See you in the next videos. Stay tuned. Bye.